Alright, now here is an exciting news for all the Samsung Galaxy Watch users out there. Samsung is planning to add a brand new feature on the Galaxy Watches which enables us to control the TVs using the watch. Yeah, I know that already this feature exists on the Galaxy Watches, but how about controlling the TV using the pinch gestures on your Galaxy Watch? That sounds very exciting, isn't it? That is what Samsung is planning to add on the Galaxy Watch. Without even using the remote, we'll be able to control the TV by just doing some gestures wearing your watch. And of course, this feature will be supported only for Samsung TVs, not for any other TVs. Now you see here, this is a smart monitor that I've got, and this works as good as a Samsung TV. And on SmartThings Find, we'll be able to connect the TV or this monitor. On the phone, on SmartThings Find app, we already have a remote control available, and it works seamlessly. Likewise, we also have this option on the watch. All you need to do is just open SmartThings on your Galaxy Watch. Make sure your TV is connected on the phone, and you will be able to open that device on your watch as well. And you can see I got the controls for volume as well as changing the channel on the watch itself. Now this feature is already there. Using SmartThings Find, we can execute this, but the upcoming feature is going to enable us to use the pinch gestures. We already have gesture control on the watch. As you can see on settings, when you go to the buttons and gestures option, we've got double pinch gesture, we've got shake to dismiss gesture, knock gesture, using which we can open an application or dismiss notification. We can set multiple other functions. So Samsung may be using the same gestures to control the TV without using a remote. Maybe pinching twice will increase the volume, pinching once will reduce the volume. A knock gesture may change the channel, and doing it sideways may get back to the previous channel. So these kind of options we may get in the future. So that is what we are hoping for. So at the moment, this feature has not arrived yet. I will keep you guys posted as soon as we get it. This will basically be a SmartThings feature which enables us to control Samsung TVs with the gesture controls. So that sounds really amazing, and I'm quite excited to see this feature all coming to the watch. So let me know what do you think about this. Drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe. There are tons of contents about Galaxy watches, Galaxy phones, and other Android phones. I keep you guys posted about the new updates, tips and tricks, etc. So if you're interested and if you're new here, do go ahead, subscribe, and give this video a like if you find this video informative. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.